Exercise 10C, question number 3. Find the sum of 28 terms of an AP whose nth term is 8, 10 minus 5. Find the sum of 28 terms of an AP. So what we want to find out? Sum of 28 terms of an AP. Sum of 28 terms, you can represent it as what? Tell me. Boys.
Yes, ma'am.
Sum of 28 terms. Sleeping.
11, sir.
Then 28 terms. Tell me. തെറ്റിക്കോട്ടടോ പറഞ്ഞോ തെറ്റിയാൽ സാരമില്ലേ സം ഓഫ് 28 terms. Sum represent it as what? Sum.
TS.
Sum. അതാ പറയുന്നത് sum. Nth term is Tn. Sum. First letter. First letter.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sum of 28 terms.
S28.
S28. Sum of 28 terms of an AP. Find the sum of 28 terms of an AP means S28 we want to find out. Then what is given? Whose nth term is 8, 10 minus 5. Nth term is 8, 10 minus 5. Nth term. So represent nth term as
TN.
Tn is equal to what? 8, 10 minus 5. We have Tn is equal to 8, 10 minus 5. We want to find out S28. So which are the values we need? S28 we need means first we want to find out which one.
1 minus 5.
Instead of n we want to replace it as 1. So 8 into 1 minus 5. Tn is 8 and minus 5. So T1 is equal to 8 into 1 minus 5. 8n means what? 8 into n, no. So T1. So 8 minus 5 it is equal to what? 3. So T1 is equal to 3. That means the first term T1 or A is equal to what? 3. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No.
Right. How can we find? If you want to find the common difference, we need which one? T2 and T1. No, then only T2 minus T1. Possible. So, to find D, next what we want to find out? T2 we want to find out, no?
Yes.
So T2 is equal to, instead of n, we can replace it as what?
2.
2. So 8 into 2 minus 5. So 8 into 2, 10 minus 5. So
Man, 16. 8 into 2.
sorry. 16 minus 5. 8 into 2, 16. 16 minus 5, which is equal to what? 11. T2 is equal to 11. T1 is 3. So what about D? D is equal to T2 minus T1. So we can write it as 11
minus 3.
So what about 11 minus 3?
9.
9. So D we got 9. We have Sn formula is what? N by 2 into. Do we have the first term and the last term? First term we have, but we don't have the last term. So we can use which formula?
N by 2 into 2A plus
2A plus N minus 1 into D. Which one we want to find out? Sn we want to find out.
Ma'am, 11 minus 3 is 8.
Yes, ma'am. 11 minus 3, ma'am. Ma'am, there down. D is equal to 11 minus 3.
Morning itself some problem. Yeah? So D is equal to 8. So Sn means what? Sn. Sn. 28. S28 is equal to N 28 by 2 into 2 into A. A is what?
3.
3. 2 into 3 plus N minus 1 means 28.
28 minus 1.
Minus 1, which will be 27 into D we got 8.
8.
Substitute that values. After solving, we will get the answer. Okay. So start. Up to where you wrote? Tn is equal to 8n minus 5. So T1 is equal to, right now. T1 is equal to 8 into 1 minus 5. So T1 is equal to 8 minus 5, 3. Completed up to that. Then write down T2. T2 is equal to 8 into 2 minus 5. N stands for 2. Substitute N as 2. 8 into 2 minus 5. So 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. Therefore, common difference B is equal to. Therefore, the common difference D is equal to. Formula is T2 minus T1. That is second term minus the first term. So second term is 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. Completed. T1 is equal to 3 we wrote. That means what? T1 is what? A. That is A is equal to 3. We need A, no? A is equal to 3 for substituting that. So Sn is equal to formula. After writing D is equal to 8, write down this one formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute all the values.
3 times.
Okay, 2 and 28, 14 then. So Sn.
Ma'am, is the final answer?
14 into
6 plus
6 plus 27 into 8 is what?
216.
216. Then 6 plus 216.
222.
222.
Then again S20.
3108.
3108. So that is the final answer. That is 28. The sum of 28 terms of the AP is what? 3108. That means that T1 എന്നുള്ള നമുക്ക് എത്ര കിട്ടിയത്? T1 എന്നുള്ള 3 അല്ലേ കിട്ടിയത്? T2 എത്രയായിരുന്നു? Value of T2?
11.
11. Then T3, T4, T5, T6. Then അങ്ങനെ എത്ര? T28 വരെ. അങ്ങനെ ഈ എല്ലാ 1, 2, 3 എല്ലാ ഈ വാല്യൂസും 3 plus 11 plus 3 plus 11 plus etc. ഈ 28 വരെയുള്ള വാല്യൂസ് എല്ലാം കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ കിട്ടുന്നത് എത്രയാണ്? 3108. That is the meaning of that S28. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth question. Find the sum of all odd numbers less than 50. So answer. Odd numbers less than 50 are. Odd numbers less than 50 are. Odd numbers less than 50 are. Which are the odd numbers less than 50? 1, 3,
1, 3, 5, etc. 49.
etc. 49. Etc. 49. Then A is equal to T1 is equal to A is equal to 1. T2 is equal to 3. Then D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 3 minus 1. So D is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. What we want to find out? Find the sum of odd natural numbers less than 50. Here n is equal to what? Here n is equal to 25. Here n is equal to 25. That much is enough for exam. Then write in brackets. Out of 50 numbers, 25 are even numbers and 25 are odd numbers. That's why we are writing n is equal to 25. That's enough. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 first term plus last term. So S25 is equal to n by 2 means 25 by 2 into what about first term? First term 1. 1 plus last term. Here you write, let me forward. Tn is equal to 14 and that also near T1, T2. That also we want to write. First term plus last term Tn. last term Tn is equal to 49. Always it won't be the last term. Tn. First term plus last term. Last term 49 here. ഇവിടെ 49 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഇത് ലാസ്റ്റ് ടേം ആയി മാറും. So 25 plus 25 is equal to 25 by 2. We can't cancel. So here 50. So we can cancel this 2. Yeah?
25 balance.
25. So 25 into 25 is what?
It's 25.
25. So sum of odd natural numbers less than 50. Less than 50. Odd numbers എല്ലാം ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 1 to 49 വരെ ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കിട്ടുന്ന ആൻസർ ആണ് 625 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Same way we can do which one? Even numbers also. Same thing, no? 2, 4, 6, etc. For the second one, first 12 natural numbers, each of which is a multiple of 7. Find a sum of first 12 natural numbers, which is a multiple of 7. So 12 natural numbers are the 12 natural numbers, which is a multiple of 7 are 12 natural numbers. 12 natural numbers, which is a multiple of 7 are, multiple of 7 are, 7 ones are 7, multiples of 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, etc. 12. 7 into 12 is equal to etc. 84. 12 natural numbers, etc. 84. Here A is equal to 7. That is T1 is equal to A is equal to 7. T2 is equal to 14. So D is equal to 14 minus 7.
14 minus 7.
14 minus 7. So D is equal to 7. No need of doing this 14 minus 7. Directly we can say what? D is equal to 7 since it is a multiple of 7. Directly we can say.
Yes, ma'am.
Tn is equal to
Ma'am, then n.
Tn. N. What were it?
And we want to write
N. Okay. N is equal to what?
12.
N is equal to 12. Then Tn is equal to Tn.
84.
80. Okay. 84. Then yes, sir. What we want to find out? Sum of 12 natural numbers. No.
S12.
Yes. S12 we want. So formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. First term plus last term. So n by 2. Here n stands for n is equal to
12.
12 by 2 into first term
7.
7 plus
7 plus 84.
7 plus 84. So 2 and 12 is 6 times cancel. No? So S12
6 into 91.
6 into 91. So what about that?
546.
5S12 is equal to 546. So sum of 12 numbers which are a multiples of 7 are 546. S12 is equal to 546. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Find the sum of first 51 terms. Find the sum of first 51 terms. So how can we represent that? Sum of 51 terms. Yes, sir?
S51.
Yes, question mark. No, we want to find out. S51 we want to find out. Whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So given second term and third term. So how can we represent second term?
T2.
T2 is equal to 14. 3 2 is equal. T3 is equal to 18.
T3 is equal to 18. We know the formula Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So how can we represent T2? Tn
N is equal to 15.
so T2 A plus 2 minus 1 into D, no. Instead of T2, we can replace it as A plus 2 minus 1 into D is equal to 14. Or directly you can write A plus D is equal to 14. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1D means, already we discussed that now. Exercise, which exercise 10B, same question. A plus D is equal to 14. Got it? Any doubt in this? Check it. Then same way T3. How can we represent T3? Then we will get two simultaneous equations. A plus
2D.
2D is equal to 18. So let it be, this one is equation number 2 and this one equation number 1 and 2. So solving 1 and 2. SOLVING, solving 1 and 2. Spelling of solving. A plus D is equal to 14 and A plus 2D is equal to 18. Solving 1 and 2. Solve it.
D equal to 4.
So subtracting A minus A 0. So D minus 2D. D minus 2D is what?
Negative D.
D is equal to 14 minus 18 is negative 4. So D is equal to both sides negative means dividing through what by negative both sides. So it will be positive. So D is equal to positive 4 half. Then substitute D is equal to 4 in A plus D is equal to 14. That is A plus 4 is equal to 14. A is equal to 14 minus 4. A is equal to 10. A we got it as 10. D 4. We want to find out S51. So write the formula Sn. Sn is equal to what? Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into which formula we want to apply?
First term plus last term.
First term plus last term can we apply here? Do we have the first term? First term. What about last term?
84.
Last term? Which question we are doing?
Yeah. Question mark.
This is question number 5. Can we apply first term plus last term?
2A plus N minus 1 into D.
N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഈ ഫോർമുല അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തത് മനസ്സിലായോ? ഫസ്റ്റ് ടേം പ്ലസ് ലാസ്റ്റ് ടേം അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാതെ ഇത് എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് എടുത്തത് മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? Any doubt?
No, madam.
Then Sn എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ we want to find out which one. S
51.
S51 we want to find out. So S51 means N51. So 51 by 2 into 2A. Substitute
Plus 51 minus 1.
2 into 10 plus 51 minus, okay, 51 minus 1 into D.
4.
4. Then we can cancel 51 and 2, no? So let it be there itself, 51 by 2. Then solve this. 20 plus 50 into 4. So do the bracket first. S51. S and 51 write properly, okay. Equal to then 20 plus 50 into 4. 5 4
200.
Then S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 200 plus 20.
220.
220. Then cancel 2 and
110 into 51, which is equal to 5610.
into 110, which is equal to 5610. 5610. Or D directly we can do, given T3 as what? 18 and T2 is equal to 14. So directly we can do, therefore D is equal to T3 minus T2, which is equal to 18 minus 14, which is equal to 4. This method also we can apply directly. So we will get a common difference D as 4. Directly we can apply from the question. Okay, that's good.